What if I told you that your smartphone could be the key to building wealth? Investing has never been easier, thanks to powerful stock market apps designed for beginners. In today's video, we'll break down the best stock market apps, their features, and which one suits your investment style. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal an expert tip that can save you money and maximize your profits. Before we start, hit that like button and subscribe to Investosphere for the best investing insights. Let me know in the comments, which stock market app do you use? Let's get started. Point 1. Why use a stock market app? 1. Convenience and accessibility. Trade stocks anytime, anywhere using your phone. Get real-time market updates and alerts. Beginner-friendly interfaces make investing easier than ever. Do you prefer trading on your phone or using a desktop platform? Let me know in the comments. 2. Low-cost investing. Many apps offer commission-free trades. Some apps allow you to buy fractional shares, so you don't need thousands of dollars to start. Automated investing features make wealth building effortless. Would you rather manually pick stocks or have an app invest for you? 3. Educational resources. Some apps offer tutorials, articles, and videos to help beginners understand stock market. Features like simulated trading let you practice without risking real money. Do you think educational resources are important for new investors? Share your thoughts. Point 2. Best stock market apps for beginners. 1. Robinhood. Commission-free trades on stocks, ETFs, and options. Simple, easy-to-use interface for beginners. Offers a cash management account and instant deposits. Would you use an app that offers commission-free trades but has limited research tools? 2. Webull. More advanced than Robinhood, but still beginner-friendly. Offers paper trading to practice with virtual money. Extended trading hours, and technical analysis tools. Would you prefer an app with more features, even if it has a learning curve? 3. Fidelity. Great for long-term investors with commission-free trades. No account minimums and excellent research tools. Offers fractional shares and a reliable customer support team. Would you rather have an app that focuses on long-term investing instead of shorter trading? 4. TD Ameritrade. Advanced tools for those who want to learn technical trading. Thinkorswim platform offers in-depth charts and analysis. Free educational content and webinars. Do you think beginners should start with simple apps or dive into advanced trading tools right away? 5. Acorns. Automatically invest spare change from purchases into diversified portfolios. Best for passive investors who want an easy, hands-off approach. Offers retirement and checking account options. Would you trust an app to invest your spare change for long-term growth? Point 3. Key features to look for in a stock market app. 1. Low fees and commissions. Look for apps that offer commission-free trades or minimal fees. Hidden costs like withdrawal or inactivity fees can reduce profits. Would you pay a small fee for better features? Or do you prefer completely free apps? 2. User-friendly interface. A simple, clean design makes investing less intimidating. Some apps have cluttered dashboards, which can be confusing for beginners. Do you think a sleek design is important for a good investment experience? 3. Research and analysis tools. Apps with stock screeners, analyst ratings, and company reports help make informed decisions. Some apps integrate with news sources for real-time updates. Would you rather have basic research tools or advanced analysis features? 4. Security and reliability. Two-factor authentication and encryption protect your investments. FDIC and SIPC insurance ensure funds and securities are safe. Do you trust stock market apps with your money, or do you prefer traditional brokerages? Point 4. How to choose the right stock market app. 1. Define your investing goals. Are you a trader, long-term investor, or completely new to investing? Different apps cater to different investment styles. Which type of investor are you? Short-term trader, long-term investor, or somewhere in between? 2. Compare features and fees. Some apps focus on low-cost trading, while others provide premium tools. The best app depends on your specific needs and budget. Do you prefer an app with more features, even if it charges a small fee? 3. Test the app before committing. Many apps offer demo accounts or paper trading. Trying different platforms helps you find the one that suits you best. Would you try an app with a demo account before investing real money? So, which stock market app is the best for beginners? It depends on your goals. Robinhood and Webull are great for active traders, while Fidelity and TD Ameritrade offer solid research tools. If you prefer passive investing, Acorns could be a perfect choice. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Investosphere for more investing insights. And tell me in the comments, which stock market app do you prefer? Let's discuss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy investing!